Dad, why is it so cold today?
Because snow is falling outside, Jack.
Mama, someone is at the door!
At this time, it is very early. Dad, who is at the door?
I do not know, Jack. Let me look carefully.
It is a baby penguin.
What? A penguin at our door?
He is so small and so cute!
But where did he come from?
Mama, can he come inside?
Yes, but we must be very gentle with him.
Look, he is walking so funny. He is exploring our home.
Mama, is he thirsty?
Maybe yes, penguins need water and fish.
Dad, I will search about penguins.
Good idea, Jack. Let us learn fast. Okay, here we go.
Wow, look at this.
It says penguins live near cold water. Then, how did he come to our door?
He made a sound! Is he talking to me?
Yes, Mila, I think he likes you.
Do you see anything outside? No, there is nobody, only snow.
Where is his mama? That is the big question we must answer.
We'll find his family.
Together.
I searched lost penguin, but nothing.
This is very strange.
He is eating. He was so hungry. Good boy, you are safe now.
Dad, who are you calling?
The animal center, they can help us.
Dad, what did they say?
They cannot come today. We must wait until tomorrow.
So, he stays with us today?
Yes, for one day, we are his family.
Yay, our family!
Why, are we going outside?
The penguin needs cold air and fresh snow.
Let's get ready, everyone.
Yay, snow!
All right, let's go.
Do you think she knows where he came from?
She says she saw a truck near our street last night.
Dad, what kind of truck was it?
She said it had animal pictures on the side.
Animal pictures? Cool.
Let's find it.
Mama, what is his name?
He needs a good name. What do you think?
His name is Snowy. Chirp! Do you like it? Perfect name, Mila. He likes it. It fits him perfectly.
Dad, these are big tracks.
Yes, a large truck was here last night.
Dad, what's that say?
It says Wildlife Rescue Transport and a phone number.
Do you think they lost Snowy?
I think, yes, Jack. Someone is missing him. Yes, we have a baby penguin!
What did she say? What did she say, Dad?
She said we have a baby penguin!
A baby penguin! Wow!
Snowy fell from the truck last night by accident! That is the big mistake! He got lost! Mila, we found the answer!
Snowy belongs to a rescue center far from here.
But why can we not keep him?
Because he needs other penguins and cold water and real care.
But I do not want Snowy to go.
I know, sweetheart, but he needs his real home.
I'll miss you, Snowy.
He'll always remember you.
Mama, can we play with Snowy tonight?
Yes, tonight we give him the best day ever.
Mom, I made a small pool for Snowy.
Good thinking, Jack. He will love it. He can swim! He is so fast!
Penguins are very good swimmers. It is natural for them.
I am all wet now.
Eek!
Me too. But look how happy he is.
Yeah.
Mama, is he okay? Yes, he is perfect. He is so healthy.
Does he always eat fish?
Yes, fish is the main food for penguins.
Snowy, this is a picture of you. Look, he follows me everywhere. You are his best friend today. Is he going to miss us?
I think he will remember this special day.
And for Snowy. Now, he has 2 friends today.
I told him I will never forget him.
Mama, is it almost goodbye?
Tomorrow? Yes. But tonight we are together.
Look, those are penguins like Snowy.
Yes, that is his family in the wild.
Dad, should we wake her up?
No, let her sleep. This is a good memory.
Is today the day Snowy goes?
Yes, but we did a good thing helping him.
Dad, is Snowy scared of the box?
We will make it very soft and warm so he is comfortable.
Mama, why are your eyes wet?
I am happy and a little sad at the same time.
They are here. The rescue van is here. Okay, everyone, it is time to be brave.
We look nice today, is it for Snowy?
Yes, we send him with love and care.
Is Snowy okay? Is he healthy?
He is very healthy. You took great care of him. Here, Snowy, one last fish from me.
That is a perfect goodbye gift, Jack.
Goodbye, Snowy. I love you very much. He knows, sweetheart, he knows.
You're very welcome.
Dad, did you say thank you?
Yes, Jack, we must always thank people who help.
Is he scared inside that box? No, he is warm and safe. He is okay. Goodbye, Snowy. Come back someday.
He will be happy now in his real home.
The street is very quiet now.
Yes, but our hearts are very full. Mama, I am a little sad.
It is okay to be sad. It means you loved him.
I am thinking of Snowy in the bathtub. Snowy in the bathtub? He was so funny and so fast.
He splashed all of us.
My hair was completely wet. I will not forget that.
I want to remember everything about Snowy. That is a beautiful idea, Mila.
Jack, how do you spell penguin?
P-N-G-U-I, it is a hard word. Dad, who is calling?
It is Sarah. Snowy arrived safely.
Oh, wonderful. Let me hear.
Yay, Snowy is safe.
Hooray!
That's great.
Hi, everyone. Snowy is okay and with other penguins now.
What did she say? Is Snowy okay?
She says Snowy is now with other penguins.
He has penguin friends now. He is not alone.
He is exactly where he should be.
Look! He is with so many penguins!
He looks so happy. He is smiling.
He really is.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Why are we changing clothes again?
Because we are going to celebrate our good work.
Welcome to the Cozy Spoon.
Can I order hot chocolate? Of course, you deserve anything today.
This food is so good, but Snowy's fish was also good.
You are comparing your food to a penguin's?
Mila, this is so beautiful.
Every page is a memory of Snowy.
To Snowy and to our family who showed kindness.
To Snowy.
Dad, I want to help animals when I am older.
That is a wonderful idea, Jack. A wonderful idea.
The house feels quiet without Snowy.
But it feels full of love. Do you feel it?
Now it is always in our home.
Yes, Snowy is always with us. Here. Read the part where the penguin finds home.
My favorite part, too. The little penguin waddled through the snow, searching for the perfect place to call home.
Dad, we could say we.
I think, yes, the best dream.
That was a very strange and wonderful day.
The best kind of strange day.
He has so many friends now. He is exactly where he belongs.
Look at them go!
They're playing! Now Snowy is always in our kitchen.
He is part of our family story now.
I cannot wait to see Snowy again.
Next month, we go together as a family.
Dad, if another penguin comes to our door,
We will be ready. We are that kind of family.